If your Jackery power bank won't start, it's not responding to this button press, this is what you do by holding down the display button and the USB button for 13 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, already reset it. All right, great. Output, let's try that. Yes, it's back. 4%. Looks like my battery is completely drained. And the DC also works. Yes, it's back. Yeah, I accidentally connected a very large load that exceeded the power rating. And yeah, this is the way to go. Hold down the display and the USB power switch to reset the battery bank. It still works fine. It can still charge, and it's being recharged. That's the input and output.